There's a lot of hype around Trading 212. Some say it's the knight in shiny armor of commission-free investing, while others believe it's just another broker with clever marketing. But what is the truth? Well, today we're diving deep into what it offers, the fees, the pros and cons, everything including what competitors do better. Let's break it down and see if this platform is as good as it's made out to be, or if you'll be left holding the bag. First things first, Trading 212 is sleek. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and it works well on both desktop and mobile. It's one of the easiest platforms to use, which is great if you're new to investing. However, advanced investors might find it lacking in sophisticated tools like Level 2 data, which are available with platforms like Interactive Brokers. Let's be honest, if you're not making million-dollar trades yet, this interface should work just fine. Trading 212's biggest selling point is commission-free trading, and it does deliver on that promise. You can buy and sell stocks and ETFs without paying a penny in commissions. But there are some costs to keep an eye on. If you're trading US stocks in pounds, there's a 0.15% foreign exchange fee on currency conversions. Think of it as a small toll when crossing the currency highway. You can hold cash in pounds, US dollars, euros, and 10 other currencies, which helps avoid foreign exchange fees on every trade. But converting from pounds to this currency still incurs the 0.15% fee. Bank deposits are free, but if your total card deposits exceed £2,000, there's a 0.7% fee on any further card deposits. You can withdraw from ATMs, but there's a £400 free monthly limit. Anything above that is charged a 1% fee up to a maximum withdrawal of £9,000 per month. There are also daily and single ATM withdrawal limits. That 1% ATM withdrawal fee above £400 is quite hefty. So if you're planning to use the card for cash withdrawals frequently, it's something to consider. There is no inactivity fee if you don't trade frequently. So while trading itself is free, it's important to watch out for currency conversion fees, ATM withdrawal limits, and deposit fees. Just remember, the devil's in the details. Next, we take a look at the investment products available. Trading 212 offers a solid range of assets, over 13,000 stocks and ETFs, from markets including the UK, US, Germany, France, Spain, and the Netherlands. Forex, CFDs, commodities, and indices are also available on Trading 212 CFD, not on the Invest or ISA accounts. However, there's no access to cryptocurrencies, bonds, or options. So if you're interested in crypto trading, you'd need to look elsewhere like eToro, Coinbase, or Binance. One of Trading 212's standout features is its Pi and Auto Invest system. This lets you create a pie filled with different stocks and ETFs, which you can then fund automatically at set intervals. You can customize the weightings of each stock in the pie, making it a great tool for dollar or pound cost averaging. However, it's worth noting that auto rebalancing is not available, meaning you'll have to adjust your holdings manually if allocations drift over time. Next, we look at the banking functions. Trading 212 isn't just an investing platform. It now offers both a virtual or physical debit card that allows you to spend directly from your Trading 212 account. You earn 0.5% cash back on eligible purchases capped at £20 per month, and you can round up your purchases and automatically invest the spare change into a Trading 212 pie. Plus, cash back can also be auto-invested into your chosen pie. It's like having a piggy bank, but one that grows into an investment portfolio over time. Money transfers are capped at £2,000 per transaction, per day, and per month. On transfers to specific merchants like Revolut, Wise, American Express, PayPal, and so on. To pay a bill, for example, it's more of a merchant-to-merchant deal, like sending a gift card instead of cash. Card transactions are capped at £9,000 per transaction and monthly at £54,000, which is pretty generous for most users. Withdrawals are free to your verified account, but it can take a few days. The spending caps, the lack of direct deposit for salaries, for example, the ability to transfer to other people's accounts or even to other Trading 212 accounts, as well as lack of bill payment options for credit card payment or even setting up standing orders mean it won't replace your main bank account. If you're finding this useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. I need your help to grow my channel. A nice perk of Trading 212 is that you earn interest on uninvested cash balances and it's paid daily. The rates vary based on your currency. 4.6% interest for pounds, 4.1% interest for US dollars, 3.1% interest for euros, and up to 7% interest on other currencies. This makes it one of the few UK brokers that actually rewards you for holding cash. Moving on to the types of accounts that you have available. You can choose between Trading 212 Invest, which is a general investment account, Trading 212 ISA, and they have both Stocks and Shares ISA and Cash ISA, which is a tax wrapper for UK investors. And there's Trading 212 CFD for those who want to trade with leverage. But be warned, CFDs are risky. However, there's no option for a self-invested personal pension or a junior ISA. So if you're saving for retirement or looking to invest for a child's future, you might want to look into other providers. Next is account transfers. So you can transfer into an existing account from other providers, but transferring out can be tricky. You'll need to liquidate your assets, which can trigger tax liability if it's not in an ISA and can affect your ISA allowance. But don't worry, Trading 212 is working on in-specie transfers, which will allow you to move investments without selling them. Just something to look forward to. Moving on to passive investing. So if you're someone who likes to manage your own investments and build your portfolio actively, Trading 212 is a solid option. However, for those looking for a more hands-off approach to investing, Trading 212 may not be the best fit. While Trading 212 offers 5 ready-made pies for passive investing, it lacks features like auto-rebalancing. And then moving on to customer service, Trading 212 has no phone support, and customer service is mostly via email or chat. Response times can vary, but they do have an active community forum where users help each other out, and customer service ratings are pretty good. Now let's look at the pros again. 0 commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, 24/5 trading with fractional shares, easy-to-use platform, FSCS protection and FCA regulation, downloadable reports for tax purposes if your investments are not in an ISA. Over 13,000 stocks and ETFs are available. You can earn interest on cash balances, which is paid daily. And you can hold cash in up to 12 different currencies, including Great British Pounds. And you have a direct debit with cashback and auto-investing into pies. And what are the cons again? 0.15% foreign exchange fee on currency conversions. No access to cryptocurrencies, bonds, or options. There's no SIP or junior ISA accounts. Transfers out can be challenging, though in-specie transfers are being introduced. There's a 1% ATM withdrawal fee after the £400 monthly limit, which can add up. Customer service can be slow. There's no auto-rebalancing on pies and limited options for hands-off investing. So is Trading 212 worth it? For most UK investors, yes, but only if you understand the fees and limitations. The platform offers solid tools for DIY investors and gives a nice range of investment options. However, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach to managing your investments, you might find alternatives like Invest Engine or other robo-advisors to be a better fit. But hey, if you enjoy a bit of DIY investing, this might just be your jam. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I need your help to grow my channel. And please share this with anyone who will benefit from watching it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.